have a power supply from Thermaltake. It's called the TOUGHPOWER series. Sorry, right over here. It's a 750 watt power supply. It is semi-modular. It's an 80 plus gold. Oh wow, 80 plus gold power supply. I definitely with power supplies, you don't want to cheap out. Especially when you're powering expensive equipment like your graphics card, of course your RAM and your CPU and stuff like that. You never want to cheap out with a power supply because this is basically, it powers all the parts in your PC, and if there's any short or some electrical misfire or anything like that, it will not just affect the power supply, but it will affect everything connected to the power supply. Your fans, your CPU, your GPU, and all that. You don't want to mess up the expensive commitment. So even if it's like $40 more or $30 more, you might as well buy the more expensive power supply for save you. Anyway, less yapping from me and more showcasing what we just bought. Let's check it out.
Wait. Before we continue, a real quick ad from FLUIX. Sorry about this, you guys. Got to keep the lights on. Hey everyone, this is Abby from FLUIX. If you're a PC gamer, chances are your CPU cooler might be boring, and you could really use more performance out of your gaming rig. Introducing a truly one-of-a-kind solution from FLUIX, the world's first multi-inlay water block, the FLUIX Tri-Swift. The Tri-Swift design has a high-flow configuration, with 2 dual inlets on each side of the water block, injecting turbulent flow onto the heatsink. This greatly increases the rate of heat transfer and performance. The center outlet efficiently exhausts the heated fluid out of the water block. Thermal throttling, you say? We never heard of it. Games, stream, design, and overclock endlessly with the FLUIX Tri-Swift. If you're interested in seeing this product out on the market, you can get $20 off the Tri-Swift by filling out our interest form. Go to fluixengineering.com/preorder and scroll down to get to the Get Notified button. Fill out your name, email, and make sure to opt into our newsletter, and you'll receive your $20 off coupon. All right, now back to the show.
Yep. How do we open this? All right. Ooh, the smells from these packaging. I gotta stop. It's gonna give me a headache. Okay, sorry. Move it this way. Instruction manual. Cool, got it. All right. Power supply. Ooh, it's a big boy. And I just dropped this little packet. These packages. Ugh. Okay. All right. Get this out. Ugh. Might as well do this in front. Okay. Nice. Okay. Alright. All these packages in my way. I'll get to you later. Okay, so this is our Thermaltake TOUGHPOWER 750 watt power supply. Let me put it to you this way so you guys can see the Thermaltake logo right here. Pretty big boy. 750 watts. More than enough to power our RTX 2060. It is a semi-modular power supply. As you can see, it comes with these the 24-pin cable right over here, and the CPU, the 8-pin CPU power. And everything else is semi-modular, so you can plug in your SATA power, your I forget what those things are called. SATA power, PCIe power cable, the 6-pin. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, these are all the different connectors. Basically, the use case for this is you're able to put more cables. You're able to put the cables that you need. So most time when you buy cheaper power supplies, they look like a rat's nest because you have all the cables and you can't take them out from the power supply. So they're just there eating up space in your build, not making it look clean. But with this, a semi-modular power supply, you get a full modular one too. But with this, you can pick the cables that you absolutely just need. It comes with this light and a little nice instructional guide right over here too. Anyway, yeah, nice power supply. Cool, pretty chunky. All right, let's see what else was in the box. So I didn't completely show what's in there. The box right here. Oh, it comes with a little nice carry package. I believe all the wires I need are right in here. Yes, they are. Okay, so We got all the cables that we would absolutely need. We have 3-pin PCIe or PCI power cable. We have a Molex cable in here. We have SATA power. Basically all the cables that we need for our semi-modular power supply. It comes with this nice Thermaltake pouch right over here. Nice. Cool. Thermaltake, I gotta give it up to you guys. You guys are impressing me along every way. From the packaging experience to the quality of your parts. I'm not gonna lie, pretty impressed. You guys did a great job. Nice. And of course, this is our DC power cable. It's pretty cool that the power supply comes with this DC power cable. AC? DC? Whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's been a long day, I'm so sorry. But that is what came through, and I believe, I might be wrong, but I believe, let me check, this is the last thing I ordered. Huh. So, from my understanding, these are all the parts that I ordered. Actually, before I say that, let me make sure so I don't miss all the unboxing experience for you guys. So you guys see everything that we ordered here. Put this away real quick. I believe so. Yes.